Okay, it's the 4th of July, 2026. It's pretty warm out here. As you can see, let's see here if I can do some camera work. In the center, we have a Darley Type 2, or Model 2, 220 volt, 5 ports. Got a sweat bee bugging me. Over there, we got a Federal Signal Model EG, 12 volt DC, 8 ports. And over there we have a Federal Signal Model 28. It's also 12 volt and 8 ports. And to run the Darley, I have 240 volt running through a 120 volt extension cord, so that's very safe. And to run the DC sirens, we have a big battery charger. And we're going to be using the 12 volt start mode on it. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just turn that knob there. And the amp meter, I don't think I'll be able to get it on the camera because they're quite a wide shot. Got the flag suspended by a fishing line. Anyways, let's I think we're going to start off small and then work our way up. Model EG. That was a little bit weird. Anyways, Model 28, you know. Now the Model 2. The dang sweat bee bugging us. Now hopefully, if the EG cooperates, we'll do all three at once. Let's take the outer cover off the Model 2. And growl it a couple times. That's pretty good. And to finish it off, how about some small little junk fireworks that are probably 10 years old and probably will not light at all. We'll see if they do. TNT, flashing fountain. Yeah, no date. Let's move the flag so we don't burn it. Uh-oh. The red ones look the best. Whatever that one was, wasn't that spectacular. It looked gray. Well, happy 250th birthday to America. And that'll be all for today. It's quite warm. I'm going to head inside.